How to change theme dark or light mode in PhotoMath app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the PhotoMath app. After you have downloaded the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you are in the app, you don't need to sign up or log into your account. When you launch the app, it will directly open up the camera. From here, you can scan the mathematical problems that you want to solve. Now, in order to change the theme of this PhotoMath app into the dark or light mode, this PhotoMath app does not have a built-in option in order to switch between the light and dark modes, but you can enable the dark mode for your device operating system. If you have Android, you can turn on the dark mode for your Android phone. In my phone right now, the dark mode is on. So if you open up any interface of this app, you will see that dark mode is enabled and is applied over here. In order to turn this into the light mode, you can simply turn your device light mode on. Now again, if you open up the interface, as you can see, that changed to the light mode. So that's the only way you can change the theme into dark mode or light mode in PhotoMath app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.